Hi there, welcome to another lesson. Have you ever wondered how sexually reproducing plants produce fruits and seeds? By the end of this lesson, we will learn about a very important process that leads to the formation of fruits and seeds in plants. Now, to produce fruits and seeds, the male and female gametes of flowering plants need to come together. Pollen grains, the structures that contain the male gametes, need to be transferred from anthers to stigmas, so the nucleus of the male gametes can fertilize the female gametes in the ovary to produce embryos that are stored in seeds. So, the term pollination describes the process in which pollen grains are transferred from an anther to a stigma. See pollination like a postman delivering letters from one house to another. The postman acts as a pollinator that moves pollen grains from an anther to a stigma. The letters represent the pollen grains, and the houses are like the flowers. Interesting, right? Right. There are two types of pollination. When pollen grains are transferred from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the same flower, it is called self-pollination. Now, self-pollination may also refer to the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower on the same plant, which can also have cross-pollination, which is the transfer of pollen from the anther of a flower on a plant to the stigma of a flower on another plant of the same species. You now know that pollination is the process that brings flowering plants, male and female gametes, together for sexual reproduction. You've also learned that pollination could be self or cross-pollination. But there's a question we're yet to answer. How are pollen grains transferred from an anther to a stigma? Well, we'll answer that in subsequent lessons. That's it, my friend. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.